Right, we're back on the Suzuki. I did a little video yesterday about drilling, taking the crosshead screws out on the side casings using a screwdriver bit and a hammer with a tobby bar on, and that works when they've not already been damaged. This screw here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's already been damaged to the point where the screwdriver bit won't grab it. It won't come out, and it's all chewed off. So really I've only got one option here. That's to drill the screw out and then deal with the stud after. I'll just show you how to do that. I can just mount this up here first. Start off, put quite a large drill down the centre, so you're using the damaged part as a centre. Be careful your drill doesn't run off. I'm not trying to drill it off with that. What I'm just trying to do is just get a nice start. Once you've got a start of it, this drill should hit the dead centre now. And I'm trying to drill just the centre of the head off, not the outside. Far off. There we are. So the head of the screws come off. Not touched the casing, so just drilled the head of the screw off. So this casing, there's only 3 screws in. I've drilled one off down there. I took that off. Managed to get this one to turn. It wasn't quite as damaged. Take it off like that. Yeah, I have to take one gear off. Come off, will it. You can see the studs sticking out now. You can get a pair of mole grips on that and get it out. It's not going to come off, is it? You get the gist of it anyway. I'll have to take the gear lever off, but hopefully I can just get a pair of mole grips on that, or even a pair of pliers, because sometimes they're not tight. Strangely enough, you take the heads off. See, it's not. Once you've taken the head off, for some reason the screw isn't tight. It's as though the head's seized in onto the metal. It's a strange thing that can't really, I've not got a real explanation for it, because the screws are obviously dead tight, and once you take the head off, they're not. I had a Honda like this, the Honda Dream, and every screw was, I had to screw off. I couldn't get them off, they all chewed off. And when I screwed the head, when I drilled the heads off and took them off, I took them all out with my fingers like that. I've just put the case back on temporary just to try the clutch lever, and it's nice and free now. Couldn't pull that before, it was really stiff. So it was that pivot, combination of the cable was seized up, the pivot was seized up, and that was it really. Just show you these screws I took out. We've had to drill them out. You can see that. Focus it. See the head of the screw. Screwed the head off, but I've only took the centre of the bolt out. And actually the head is still almost intact. So you just drill the head until you get to the shaft of the screw. If you can just break it through, it doesn't damage the aluminium.